Everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the 18 PYQs of Wordsworth, TGT PGT 2003 and 2005, all question paper. So let's start with the question number 1. In 1805, Wordsworth, which poem was written? So in 1805, Wordsworth's The Prelude, okay, was written. William Wordsworth, in the year of 1719, started writing a great philosophical and an autobiographical poem, The Prelude. He completed it in 1805. So, Wordsworth started writing this poem in 1798 and completed it in 1805. Come to the next question number 2. Wordsworth before his death resided at Redall Mount. William Wordsworth, in his formative years, developed a great love and appreciation of the Lakeland landscape. In 1813, he and his family moved into Redall Mount, and they continued to live there for the rest of their lives. Come to the question number 3. William Wordsworth's Tinton Abbey is a तो विलियम वर्ड्स टिंटन अब्बे इज अ ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग. आंसर इज ए ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग. इन द पोएम टिंटन अब्बे, वर्ड्सवर्थ Tinton Abbey, written by William Wordsworth, the poet or speaker is addressing a listener who never speaks but is referred to. In this poem, the dramatic monologue is used by the poet. Question number 4. Wordsworth's poem mostly deal with the humble and rustic life. Question number 15. The Prelude by Wordsworth was part of a vast work which was to be called The Recluse. Question number 5. The Prelude by Wordsworth was part of a vast work which was to be called, the answer is The Recluse. William Wordsworth was creating vast poetry work in the name The Recluse, but the prefatory poem The Prelude, written by him to introduce the above, became so important that ultimately it replaced the former a little for the whole work, for Wordsworth work at it for most of his long life. Question number 6. Which of these travel poems belong to William Wordsworth? So the descriptive answer is descriptive sketches. Descriptive sketches is one of William Wordsworth's first two books. The other is An Evening Walk. Both were published by Joseph Johnson in January 1793. So you have keep in mind. And question number 7. Lyrical ballad appeared with 4 poems by Coleridge and 19 by Wordsworth. In the 1798 publication of William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge's poetry collection, Lyrical Ballad is often held as the beginning of English Romantic period. Out of 23 poems in 1798 edition of Lyrical Ballads, Coleridge wrote 4 and Wordsworth contributed 19 poems in the collaboration. So come to the next question. Question number 8. A violet by a mossy stone half hidden from the eye is the quote from the, so this is the quote from the Lucy poems. Come to the next question. The Prelude was written in 1805. Question number 10. The exclusion dated 1814 marked the beginning of the decline of Wordsworth's poetic genius. Question number 11. The verse line, she gave me eyes, she gave me ears and humble cares and delicate fears, were in reference to, so this is the reference to Dorothy Wordsworth. She gave me eyes and she gave me ears and humble cares and delicate fears. These lines have been taken from The Sparrow's Nest, composed by William Wordsworth. In this poem, Wordsworth paid a moving tribute to his sister Dorothy, recalling their early childhood together in Cockermouth. Well, question number 12. Wordsworth composed some of his finest poems during years 1798 to 1799. Lyrical Ballad was written by Coleridge and Wordsworth. Question number 15. Wordsworth learned that a verse may build a princely throne on humble truth, from Robert Burns. Question number 16. Wordsworth lived for 50 years among the Cumberland and Dalesmen. So the poet William Wordsworth was born on April 7, 1770 in Cockermouth, Cumberland, in England. In 1802, he married at Grasmere, and afterwards he lived for 50 years at Redall Mount near the head of Windermere among the Cumberland Dalesmen. So question number 17. The true commencement of Wordsworth's poetic career was 1797 to 1798. William Wordsworth spent. Okay, come to the question number 18. Which of the following is a poem by Wordsworth? So Daffodil. Daffodil is a poem composed by Wordsworth. So these are 18 questions of previous year 2014, 2013, 2003 and 2004. So please like, share and subscribe. If you want something more, so please comment below the description link. Please comment in comment box. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.